Echoes from the past. 5 extinct animals in photos. In the annals of natural history, there are creatures whose tales have faded, leaving behind only whispers of their existence. Long before the age of cameras, these enigmatic beings were painstakingly sketched and described, their images preserved in the intricate pages of naturalists' journals. But as time marched on, so did the science of invention that birthed cameras and the art of photography. Let's dive deep into 5 animals and photos that serve as poignant reminders of their once vibrant presence on our planet. Number 1. The Barber Lion. The Barber Lion, with its intimidating presence, first graced the historical records from the lands spanning Morocco to Egypt. It stood out as the largest and heaviest subspecies of lion, a true marvel of the animal kingdom. Notably, its regal form likely strode through ancient Rome. In a departure from its fellow lions, the Barber's solitary existence was a necessity born from the harsh reality of its native habitat. Sustenance was scarce, and survival was a solitary endeavor. What sets the Barber lion apart is its historical role in the brutal arenas of combat through the ages, a story intertwined with power and survival. That is why, even now, questions linger about potential descendants of the Barber lion, possibly confined in zoos or circuses, their lineage a silent testament to a once majestic species. The Barber lion's legacy lives on, urging us to protect Earth's diverse ecosystems for generations to come. Regrettably, the echoes of its mighty roar now only resonate in the annals of history. The last wild Barber lion met its tragic end in the Atlas Mountains of Morocco in 1942, leaving an indelible void in the natural world. 2. Caspian Tiger. The Caspian Tiger, a counterpart in size only to the colossal Siberian tiger, first graced recorded history with its presence along the shores of the Black and Caspian Seas. Its territories spanned modern-day northern Iran, Afghanistan, Central Asian former Soviet republics, and the far reaches of western China. Yet, as human populations burgeoned in these regions, an escalated competition for arable land set the stage for the decline of the Caspian tiger. The late 19th century witnessed the Russian colonization of Turkestan, marking the onset of a tragic journey toward extinction for this magnificent feline species. In the border region between Afghanistan and Tajikistan, the last reported sighting of a tiger occurred in 1998 within the Babatog Range. Moving over to Kazakhstan, the final recorded presence of the Caspian tiger was in 1948, near the Ili River's surroundings, which was the last known refuge near Lake Balkhash. 3. The Tarpon. The Tarpon, also known as the Eurasian wild horse, once roamed freely until the late 19th century, with the last wild specimen meeting its end between 1875 and 1890 during an ill-fated capture attempt. These creatures stood just shy of 5 feet tall at the shoulder, boasting a robust mane, a gruelo-hued body with dark legs, and distinctive dorsal and shoulder stripes. The authenticity of the 1884 photograph above, purportedly capturing a live tarpon, is the subject of some debate, yet it remains a treasured relic. Efforts to resurrect the tarpon have resulted in the creation of conic horses, which bear a striking resemblance to their extinct counterparts. However, they fall short of being deemed a genetic match. What sets the tarpon apart is its unique contribution to the ecological tapestry of Eurasia. As a once native inhabitant, its loss marked a significant shift in the region's biodiversity. The quest to revive this species serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of preserving not only individual species, but the ecosystems they inhabit. The untamed spirit of the tarpon lives on, both in historical records and in the enduring efforts to honor its memory and restore its legacy. The final captive tarpon breathed its last in 1909. Number 4. The Seychelles giant tortoise. The presence of the Seychelles giant tortoise was first recorded in history when explorers and naturalists began documenting the flora and fauna of the Seychelles Islands in the 18th century. The tortoise's unique characteristics and habitat were noted in early scientific accounts and illustrations. In the 19th century, much like its counterparts on neighboring Indian Ocean islands, the Seychelles giant tortoise faced the threat of extinction due to overhunting. By the 1840s, it was no longer found in its natural habitat, surviving only on the fringes of marshes and streams sustained by vegetation. A 2011 study brought to light a population of 28 adult tortoises in captivity, along with 8 adults and 40 juveniles introduced to Cousin Island, potentially belonging to the Seychelles giant tortoise species. Remarkably, a Seychelles tortoise named Jonathan, residing on St. Helena Island, secured a spot in the Guinness World Records as the world's oldest living land mammal, having reached the remarkable age of 187. This serves as a testament to the enduring legacy of this remarkable species, even in captivity. 5. Quagga. The quagga, a creature with distinct striping, was first recorded in history as an abundant species in South Africa. Sadly, due to overhunting for various purposes, their numbers dwindled rapidly. In an extraordinary effort by the Quagga Project, started in 1987, the quagga became the first extinct animal to have its DNA analyzed. This breakthrough revealed that the quagga was a subspecies of the plains zebra, not a distinct species as previously thought. Since then, the Quagga Project has made significant progress in rebreeding, celebrating the birth of the first foal in 1988. Through careful breeding, they aim to recreate individuals that closely resemble the quagga in color, striping, and coat pattern. The quagga's story highlights the importance of conservation awareness, while the De-Extinction Project showcases the power of scientific innovation. Preserving its subspecies, the plains zebra, is crucial for maintaining the ecological balance of African grasslands. The last wild quagga was seen in the 1870s, and the final captive one passed away in August of 1883. Each image carries a piece of their legacy, bridging the gap between the past and our modern understanding of these extraordinary creatures. As we say our goodbyes to these snapshots of history, let us carry with us the profound lessons they bestow. They remind us that while we couldn't rescue them, we now possess the power to safeguard the living wonders of today. It's our duty to ensure that the creatures sharing our world now not only survive, but flourish, creating a future where their kind thrives once more. The torch of preservation is in our hands, and it's a responsibility we must bear with utmost reverence. Wow, what a journey through time we've taken today. If you've been captivated by the tales of these majestic creatures that once roamed our planet, hit that like and subscribe button and join us on more adventures into the past. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.